Hello and welcome to Wolfe GMC Buick. Today we're taking a look at a 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 featured in sterling metallic with a black interior. Under the hood there's a 6.2 liter V8 paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Some features include a power sunroof, heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Some safety features include forward collision alert, lane keep assist, hill descent control, a backup camera, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door with power lock and unlock, memory seating, front and rear powered windows, and power mirrors that fold in with this button here. AT4 badging, some storage and cup holder space below, as well as our Bose speaker. To the left of the driver's seat, we have the power seating and power lumbar. Here are the seats with AT4 stitched in at the top, and we can hop inside. Just to the left when we get inside, we have our power park brake, as well as our optional 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive with trailer mode, as well as the lighting controls with LED cargo area lighting and the head-up display. We can start up the truck. In the middle is our cluster. To the right of the steering wheel, we have the cluster controls as well as Bluetooth controls. To the left, we have the cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. Moving over to our infotainment screen, we can check out our audio. We have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth or USB. And it is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving over to the navigation here, we can check it out. We just got to turn it on. And there it is. Also throw it in reverse, take a look at the backup camera, 360-degree camera, and a ton more options below. Below that we have our dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Here we also have our lane keep assist, parking sensors, power tailgate, traction control and hill descent control, some storage here with a USB-A and a USB-C plug-in, 2 cup holders, and here we have our wireless charging. Here is the center console. We can open that up and take a look. We have a USB-C and a USB-A, as well as a 3-prong storage up top and down below with the light at the back. Taking a look at the rear view mirror here, we can switch that to the camera display by just flicking that thing at the bottom. Up above that, we have our OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and our sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, AT4 badging on the bottom, as well as black assist steps, black mirror caps and color matched door handles with keyless entry and privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have rear bumper corner steps on either side for easy access, and here's the exhaust. To open up the back, all we gotta do is double click. It's gonna drop down for us. We got tons of space back here, as well as a handle to help you get up. And the cool part about this is it's a multi-pro tailgate, so you push that back button, you can drop these down and get steps up to the bed. Super convenient. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door with powered windows, some storage and cup holder space below. Here are the seats. Of course, we can lift these up to get some extra storage back here. We can hop inside. The back of each seat we have magazine holders. The back of the center console are 2 cup holders, as well as our rear heated seats and vents, a USB-C and a USB-A plug-in. Of course, we have handles on either side with 2 dome lights at the top. If we take a look in the middle here, we can drop this down for an armrest / cup holder. And here's the view from the back. Thank you so much for watching this quick review of the 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe GMC Buick very soon.